subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल से रिलेटेड एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगा। तो आइए देखते हैं वो प्रॉब्लम क्या है। सो प्रॉब्लम इज so that the equation of a circle passing through the origin and having intercepts A and B on the real and imaginary axis respectively on the organ plane is given by z bar equals to A real part of z plus B imaginary part of z. So you have to show that, okay, this equation of circle is this. Well, they have given some condition, okay. So I have already made that figure here, so I'll just explain it. So here your circle is passing through the origin, so let's see, passing through the origin, and it has x intercept is A, okay, this distance is A, y intercept is B on the real axis, imaginary axis, so this is B, okay, and z that's moving on the circumference of a circle. Then you have to show that z bar equals to A into real part of z plus B into real part of imaginary part of z. Okay, so see, so you can see in this figure already. So from figure, okay, you can see what argument of z minus A upon z minus IB is equals to plus minus pi by 2, okay, because this angle, or you can say this angle z minus A, z minus B, this angle is plus minus pi by 2, okay. So definitely this z minus A upon z minus IB is a imaginary number. It will lie on the imaginary axis. So from here you can write z minus A upon z minus IB plus z minus A whole bar, but A is some real number, so A bar is A, so here only z bar upon, again here z minus IB, if you take bar, then that becomes z bar plus IB, that is equals to 0. Now solve this equation, cross multiplication. So z minus A into z bar plus IB plus z minus IB into z bar minus A equals to 0. Now solve this equation. So z bar minus IAB, again एक मिनट वेट करना है, चलेगा ना, एक क्वेश्चन z बार माइनस IAB and AZ bar, okay, and minus AZ bar plus IBZ, again plus, if you open second one, z bar minus AZ minus IBZ bar plus IAB equals to 0. Okay, here IAB minus IAB plus that get cancelled. Okay, so z bar and z bar becomes 2z bar, here minus AZ bar and here minus AZ, so we can take common minus A, that becomes z plus z bar, again here IBZ and here minus IBZ, so if I take common here, plus if I take common here, B I, so I B, that becomes Z minus Z bar. Okay, that is equal to 0. Now we can multiply by 2 here, so if I multiply by 2, that becomes Z bar minus A, this is Z plus Z bar upon 2, this is plus IB Z minus Z bar upon 2 equal to 0. Okay, so एक मिनट और मैंने गलत कहाँ पे हो रहा है, शेष में गलत लिखा है क्या? IBZ plus IBZ and minus IBZ. ओके फाइन, स्टार्ट करें, बोलते जाएंगे. ओके, एंड सो Z bar minus A Z plus Z bar upon 2, that becomes minus B Z minus Z bar upon 2 equals to 0. So Z bar equals to A Z plus Z bar upon 2 plus B Z minus Z bar upon 2. So see, Z bar equals to A, this is the real part of Z and this is the imaginary part of Z. So you can see it how easily we can solve this equation using some properties of argument, okay, and the given conditions. So I hope आप लोगों के अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. So आप ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन, ऐसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन को आप इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. In my next video I'll show you some another example. Okay, thank you.